The battles of the Revolution were fought over and over the same landscapes, and often women and families left at home found themselves being overrun, first by one army and then another. Some of these women found the new responsibility part of this a liberating experience. When Mary Bartlett, the wife of a New Hampshire Congressman, Josiah Bartlett, yes, for all you West Wing fans, that's the Josiah Bartlett Martin Sheen's named after, she first took over her husband's duty in 1776, and she would write to him and report on your farming business. She was very unsure about her ability to manage his affairs, but she did great. And 2 years later, she began to take real pride in her work. Her letters to Josiah then it had become our farming business. Other women, however, did not find the added responsibilities as an opportunity for self-enrichment. They just complained. And I have to admit, I kind of like the complainers, and not just because I think I probably would be one, because when they complain, they're just so colorful. As Mary Foster sighed to her husband Isaac away at war, "Every trouble, however trifling, I feel with double weight in your absence." For Sally Logan Fisher, with her Quaker husband arrested and sent into exile, life was a, quote, fiery trial, and it made her feel forlorn and desolate, and the world appears like a dreary desert, almost without any visible protecting hand to guide us from the ravenous wolves and lions that prowl about for prey. You know, she's in Connecticut, she's not in the jungle, so I like the complaining. After the war, though, scholar Mary Beth Norton noted two trends in the letters of women, both complainers and compliers. First, the tone had changed. The female correspondents were much less self-deprecatory. They stopped apologizing for being just a woman. They stopped, too, using the word helpless as often. Second, the women owned their wartime experiences, whether they had complied or complained, whether they supported the war or not. When it was over, women realized that they had been through war as surely as if they had been on the battlefield, and some of them had. They had survived it, and they were not going to let anyone take that accomplishment away from them. As a result of their baptisms by fire, the wives, mothers, and daughters of the revolutionary generation might well have assumed that things would change after the war. Professional writers like Mercy Otis Warren, Judith Sargent Murray, as well as ordinary women, wrote and debated about the role that women were going to play in the future.